Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and you can already see from the title I'll be doing my full coverage routine, and I love this so much. This is very full coverage but still natural. My face feels very light. It feels like I have nothing on my skin, and this is what I love so much. I use one of my favorite foundation and I am obsessed. You will know when you watch this video what foundation I'm talking about. But basically this is my full coverage routine that I go to when I want a full beat. This is a foundation that you guys need to have, okay? You need to have that in your collection. But anyways, I don't want to do too much chit chat. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Click that subscribe button and also turn on that bell because that's the notification, because I do upload every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And yeah, pretty much that's it. So without further ado, let's jump right into this. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with my eyebrow. I'm going to use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pencil in the shade dark brown. I told you I don't really like this eyebrow pencil, but I just wanted a natural look today because this eyebrow gel, this Anastasia eyebrow gel looked very great to me, but I'm gonna use it today because when I put it on it gives me a natural look. So you know, you're gonna see it when I put it on, but I'm gonna go back to Sephora. That's where I got it from, and I'm gonna go ahead and get a darker shade, like something that matches my skin tone, because this dark brown is not no dark brown, but as you can see when I draw the line out it looked very gray, and I could see it on camera that it looked very gray. So I'm gonna go ahead and just fill it in very natural. Okay, so you see how it looked very gray? It doesn't look dark brown like the rest of the eyebrow pencil or eyebrow gel that I normally use. It does not look dark brown to me. It looked very gray. So that's the reason why I don't like it, and that's the reason why I hardly use it. And I bought it like 4 months ago, and I think I only used it like 2 times already. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my eyebrow with the normal MAC concealer in NW45. That's my shade, and this is what I normally use to clean up my eyebrow. I love it so much. It gives me a very full natural coverage. So that's what I'm going to use to clean up my eyebrow, and I'm just going to go ahead and just do that. So after I do that, I'm still going to go ahead and still use the MAC, and I have dark spot. You see the dark spot on my eyelid? So I use it and I bring it all the way down, and this is my normal routine. So this is what I use to just prep my eyes, so when I put on the eyeshadow it looks very bright and vivid, and it do last longer. So I'm going to go ahead and just bring it all the way down, and then I'm going to use my damp beauty blender and just blend it out. Okay, so now that's all done, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set it with my MAC, my Patrick Star collab with MAC, and I love this powder. I don't know who don't have it, but if you don't have it, you need to go run to MAC or go on the website and get this powder. This MAC powder with Patrick Star collab, it works wonders. When I tell you it's so good for dark skin, I love it so much. It's very versatile. It goes with any skin tone. Like, this is so good, and it doesn't give back no flashback, none at all. And I love it. I really love it, and I will never stop using it. Simple. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and prep my face. I went in already with this Ultra Radiant Cream Intensive for dry patchy skin. You guys already know I have dry skin. This is not new. Anybody who's been watching me from day one know that I have crazy dry skin, especially on my T-zone is mad. So I already went ahead and I used this, and I put a lot because my skin will dry out in a minute, like in a minute. So thick, creamy moisturizer is very, very, very good for dry skin. So now I'm going to go in with this Natural Radiant Illuminator from MAC, and this is like a sample. So I never used this before, and I have two. When I order stuff from MAC, they give me like a sample, so this is what I got, and I never tried it. So today I'm gonna try it. Doesn't have any smell, so I really don't know what is it for. Like, is it glowy? Does it give your skin glow? I don't know. So I'm gonna try it today. Hopefully it doesn't dry my skin out because I'll be so mad. But I'm gonna put it on. I should have covered my hair because this hair is getting into the way. I normally put a wrap over my head when I'm doing my makeup, but I don't know. I'm gonna fix it up later on. But looking at it, it's alright. I don't see no difference. I just feel like I just put on moisturizer, but I don't know. It looked glowy, and I don't know. I don't know how it looked to me. To me, it just looked natural. It doesn't give my skin no pop or no oof. But I don't know. I'm gonna read up on it to see what it does, but it's a natural radiant base. So now after that, I'm gonna go in with my favorite, one of my favorite foundation that I just got. If you watched the last video, you know exactly what I'm talking about, and it's the Kat Von D Lock-It. I am obsessed. This will be my second time using it, and man, I cannot believe I did not pick up this foundation before. Was I thinking, like, why didn't I pick up this foundation? It's full coverage, and I just love it. It's so pretty, and I wear it throughout the day because I did a wear test. You guys need to watch the other video. I'm gonna put it up on the screen, but let me tell you something. I cannot believe I was not in the loop. I did not pick up the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. And I'm just so mad, but I'm happy right now. I'm gonna put 3 pumps. And when I first did it, I used the beauty blender, the beauty sponge. But today I feel like I want to use the brush. So I'm gonna use this brush, flat top brush right here. I haven't used a brush in a very long time. So today I'm gonna try it to see how it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it all over my face. Wow, look at that. Oh my god. Wow, this is crazy. I love this so much. I think I need to get another brush because I could see that the hair coming out. I bought this cheap brush from Amazon. I bought it a long time ago. So I need to upgrade myself. Yeah, I need to get a better brush. I saw Jackie Aina with a brush. Where did she say she got it from? I don't remember. But I think I'm gonna get that brush because it looks very good. And you see the reason why I need to tie down my hair? Because the hair is getting in the way. Let me go tie it down. I'll be right back. Okay, so much better. Alright, so yeah, I need to get another brush because this one is falling out. The hair is coming out. Alright, so, oh my god, look at this. Look at my skin. Oh my god, really? This is full coverage, and I think it goes on better with the brush instead of the beauty blender. For me personally, like, I don't know about anybody else, but I don't know, it's better. It looks better with the brush. Because when I first used it with the beauty blender, it didn't come out that popping. Like, it looked different. So yeah, I'm gonna use a brush, but I'm gonna order some more brushes. Like, I don't know, I'm gonna get the brush that Jackie Aina have. Like, I'm so gonna get it. Anyways, update, update. By the way, today's Sunday, and normally on the weekend that's when I do my videos because during the week I work. So today's Sunday and I'm doing like 2-3 videos today. So I'm not gonna take long because I have to cook, I have to go on the road. So today is my crazy day. Like today is when I do videos and all of that stuff. So, and by the way guys, I am going on vacation. I'm going to Jamaica. I mean, that's where I'm from, but I'm going to Jamaica for a special occasion. And yeah, I cannot wait to go because I've been working like crazy and I need a vacation. Like I so need that vacation. And I'm going to Jamaica for 1 week, me and my daughter. So I might do a little vlog. I don't know, I want to do a vlog. Let me know if I should do a vlog. Like tell me down below, sign off and let me know, should I do a vlog? Should I post a little bit of clip of me in Jamaica? You know, enjoy myself on my little mini vacation because I'm going for 1 week. 1 week goes so fast. So yeah, pretty much I'll be in Jamaica on Friday. Today's Sunday. So yeah, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. My bag's already packed. I'm just ready. Like I'm ready to go. I'm ready to just go on the plane, enjoy myself, and just relax. And yeah, I might do a vlog there just to show you where I'm from, to show you how we roll in Jamaica and all of that good stuff. So yeah, I am going on my mini vacation. You know, I can't wait to see the rest of my family. My nieces and nephew, I miss them so much. So yeah, I'm going on a special occasion. You guys will know because I'm going to do posting videos and all of that stuff. But pretty much, you guys are going to see a little bit of clip, you know, where I grew up, where I'm from and all of that good stuff. By the way, I'm using the NARS concealer, which is very full coverage. And oh shit, I have the Kat Von D concealer. I should have used the Kat Von D. What was I thinking? Damn. Okay, never mind. Doesn't really matter. Both of them is full coverage. So yeah, so put it all over. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out with the beauty blender. I'm gonna start right here and I'm gonna blend out this last because I want it to like sit to soak into my skin. That will give it like a nicer, like a fuller coverage. I got this from Jackie Aina. So yeah, I'm obsessed with Jackie Aina. If you're not obsessed with Jackie Aina, you're crazy. You need to go get your life. I watch her video every single day. I stalk her on her Instagram. Like, I love this girl. Okay, so next I'm gonna go back into the Patrick's powder. And as you guys know the routine, no bacon for me. I'm just gonna go ahead and just dab it in. And I'm gonna put some on my smile line because I have crazy smile line. They are so crazy. Yeah, so put some right here. Okay, so afterwards I'm gonna go into my powder contour and I'm gonna take this dark shade right here. And I like powder contour. I'm not a fan of the creamy contour. I think the powder contour looks more natural. And I'm also gonna do my nose, even though I don't need it. I have a small nose. Like if you see me in person, you will say, wow, your nose is so small and so nice. I love my nose, so I'm gonna do a little bit. Oh, I think I did a lot. Oh God, okay. So I'm gonna blend it out, don't worry. But I really don't need to contour my nose most of the time. And you realize that I did not do my eyes. I normally do my eyes before I do my face. Like all the time. I do my eyebrow, then I do my eyes. And then I do the rest of my face. But you realize that I didn't do it today because I want the main focus to be my full coverage routine, my full coverage face, you know. So that's the reason why I didn't do my eyes. But I feel so weird right now. Like I feel so naked. Like I'm on camera naked. So that's how I feel when I don't do my eyes. Like I have to do my eyes first. Like I don't know why, but I just feel it feels more better when I do my eyes first. But you know, I just want the focus to be my full coverage. Anyways, after that, I need to get, every time I say I'm going to MAC, something comes up. Like look at this. It hit pan. Like there's no more. And this is my favorite. So I have this Milani, and I'm not a fan, to be honest. But this is in the shade Caramel. But I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, set the rest of my face, and I'm just gonna brush off the excess powder that I had left. Okay guys, so now I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my eyes, put my lashes on, and do all of that good stuff, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I went ahead and I finished up my eyes using the Morphe Dare to Create palette. I love this palette so much, and this is exactly what I have on my eyes. And for my lashes, I have on my own lashes from PrestigeShimonHair.com. Go ahead and check and click the link down below to get yourself a nice lash. And the style that I'm wearing is dramatic, very dramatic, but still look natural and nice. But anyways, this is the finished look. I'm so happy with this look. Let me fix my hair. So pretty, so nice. So yeah, this is my full coverage routine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget, before you click off, subscribe down below and turn on that bell. That's the notification, because I do upload every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoy this look. Give it a big thumbs up, and I will definitely see you again in my next video. Bye guys.